x times x times x minus x times x is equal to 100. We have to find the value of x. So x times x times x, we can write it as x cube minus x square, and if we subtract 100 to both the sides, then it is 100 minus 100 on the right hand side, or x cube minus x square minus 100 is equal to 0, or x cube minus x square, and this minus 100, this we can write it as minus, and 125 minus 25 inside the bracket, and this will be equal to 100 is equal to 0, or we can write it as x cube minus x square minus 125 plus 25 is equal to 0, or x cube, let's rearrange it, we can write minus 125 here, and that minus x square plus 25 we can write inside the bracket as minus 25, like this. So we are now changing the question, or x cube minus 125 we can write it as 5 cube minus x square minus 25 as 5 square is equal to 0, or x cube minus 5 cube, this is in the form of a cube minus b cube, and this is equal to a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. Again we have minus x square minus 5 square inside the bracket. Let's write it together like this, and this x square minus 5 square, it is in the form of differences of square, a square minus b square, and this we can write it as a minus b times a plus b. So let's write it as a cube minus b cube. So x minus 5 times x square plus 5x plus 5 square, then minus x minus 5 times x plus 5 in the form of differences of square is equal to 0. Now here x minus 5 is a common factor, so we can write it as x minus 5 as the common factor. Then remaining factors are x square plus 5x plus 5 square is 25, so x square plus 5x plus 25 minus x plus 5, this factor, is equal to 0, or x minus 5 x square plus 5x plus 25 minus x minus 5 is equal to 0, or x minus 5 x square plus 4x plus 20 is equal to 0. Now when a times b is equal to 0, then either a is equal to 0 or b is equal to 0. That means either x minus 5 is equal to 0, then in that case x is equal to 5. So this is one real solution. When x square plus 4x plus 20 is equal to 0, here this is a quadratic equation. We can find the roots for x using the quadratic equation formula, where x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac under square root upon 2a, where a is the coefficient of x square, that is 1, b here is coefficient of x, that is 4, and c here is 20. So x is equal to minus 4 plus minus b square is 4 square minus 4ac, 4 times a is 1 and c is 20 upon 2a, 2 times 1, or x is equal to minus 4 plus minus 16 minus 80 upon 2a, or minus 4 plus minus 64 under square root upon 2a, or minus 4 plus minus, this we can write 64 under square root times minus 1 under square root upon 2a, a is 1, sorry, we can write here 2, or minus 4 plus minus square root of 64 is 8, and minus 1 under square root is an imaginary unit, we write I instead of it, upon 2, or x is equal to, we can take 2 common and write minus 2 plus minus 4i upon 2. 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So second value for x is when minus 2 plus 4i, and third value for x is minus 2 minus 4i. So these are two complex solution for x. Only real solution for x is equal to 5. Now we can verify this solution. X cube minus x square is equal to 100. When x is equal to 5, so it will be 5 cube minus 5 square. This should be equal to 100. 5 cube is 125 minus 5 square is 25. 125 minus 25 is 100. LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, x is equal to 5 is the correct solution. How did you solve it? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.